Hey guys, it's Allie. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am filming my July monthly video. Yes, it's already July. No, I can't believe it. And I promise this one is going up on time, so that's why you're seeing it. So this week I am using Nightingale Paper Co. July monthly. I mean, what else is there to say about it? This is what it looks like. I do have a haul video for it, so let's just go ahead and jump in and get started. I'm first gonna put down the date covers, and then the extra date boxes, extra date boxes, there we go. And then I will be right back. Alright, so clearly I lied to you guys. This did not go up on time. That's why you're seeing it in the middle of July. Well, anyway, we'll jump right into this. I was watching a show when I filmed this, so I didn't stop my show in order to tell you what I was doing. So I put down the Independence Day quarter box that came in the kit. Then I started with my bill dues. I put one down on the 1st for rent. I put one down on the 2nd for my car insurance. I also have a credit card due that month, which is almost done being paid off. Tuesday, I put one down the 3rd because I have another credit card bill. And then I also put one down on the 9th. That's another credit card. I have a lot of credit cards. Then on the 15th, I did put down another bill due. That was for my cable and Wi-Fi. The 17th is my car payment. Then I also have a bill due on the 23rd and the 25th. And for that, I took one of the quarter boxes and the honey inked bill due scripts, the clear ones, and I put that down. I don't know what I'm doing. I'll do it here in a minute. Let's see, am I gonna do it? Maybe. There we go. Here's the quarter boxes that I was talking about. I'm not making things up. So the 23rd is a credit card bill, and then the 25th is the electric bill. Yeah, I got a lot of bills, and I'm trying to not have any. Which is proving difficult. Working on it, not being successful about it, but you know, moving on. I believe next, what am I doing next after I put that down? Let's see. I think I put down the birthdays. I have a couple birthdays this month, and now that I'm looking at it, I forgot to put one down, and that's okay. That person doesn't watch my videos. What did I put down? Oh, the payday flags. I then put down the payday flags on the 14th and the 28th. That is when I get paid this month. I am so ready for my payday. You have no idea. When I'm recording this, it is currently the 11th? Yes, it is the 11th that I'm recording this voiceover. This is probably not going to go up until the 13th, Friday the 13th. Oh, I just realized Friday the 13th. There you go. Okay, so I'm starting with the birthdays. On July 14th, it is my cousin's birthday. He turns something in his 30s. Don't really know which one, but he's turning 30-something. Happy birthday, Jason. And then I also have a birthday on the, I have 3 birthdays on the 11th. It is my grandfather's birthday, my mom's best friend Charlene's birthday, and then my friend Amanda's birthday. All on the 11th. So I put quarter boxes down for all the birthdays, and then I labeled them with the Stickery Co. Happy Birthday Cupcakes. I used a red one and a blue one. opposite of the boxes. Now for the 12th, that is 2 months until my birthday. I'm super excited. And then I didn't put this in, but on the 9th is 2 months until I go on vacation. So I put it in later. I don't know if I'll insert a picture or not. Probably not. My editing skills aren't that great. But, you know, that's what that is. Then I put down the rose-colored days, 2 months till my birthday script in rose gold. And then I went ahead and put all the Winstons down, or did I do that? I did that before. Oops, I put all the Winstons down before I put down the cupcakes. Don't remember if I said where those cupcakes are from. It's from the Stickery Co. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this random plan with me. I know it's late, but you're welcome. I'm playing catch up. Here we go. But thanks for watching. I hope you guys liked my video, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye, guys!